Welcome all to Fanshala. Today we are diving deep into the most important MCQs from the Climate of India chapter, perfect for your Class 10 ICSE 2026 board prep. We'll break down tricky concepts like the southwest and retrograde monsoons, local winds, western disturbances and altitudinal temperature changes. These questions are not just high yield, they're exactly the kind of tough ones that can land you top marks. So grab your notes, stay tuned, and let's turn climate confusion into confidence. So the first question is, which state of India is the first to experience the withdrawal of the monsoon? And the options are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, West Bengal. And the answer is Punjab. Because the southwest monsoon winds enters through the state of Kerala and slowly progress towards central India and then towards Punjab. So as the Punjab is the last state to receive the monsoon rainfall, it becomes the first state to see its withdrawal. The next question is, what gives rainfall to Punjab in the winter months? And the options are tropical cyclone, temperate cyclone, southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon. And the correct answer is temperate cyclone. This is because the temperate cyclone originates over Mediterranean Sea and it reaches India as western disturbance through the help of westerlies. The next question is the jet stream which draws in western disturbance towards India. And the options are easterly, westerly, northeast trade winds, and southeast trade winds. And the correct option is westerly jet stream. This is because the westerly jet stream travels from west to east direction and it brings the temperate cyclone influence which originates over the Mediterranean Sea over northwest India. The next question is oppressive heat condition in the retreating monsoon season is called. Your options are retreating heat, autumn heat, October heat, retreating monsoon heat. And the correct option is October heat. During the months of October to November, the sky remains cloudless, high day temperature which creates an oppressive sultry weather regarded as the October heat. The next question is arrange the following according to the basis of ascending order of dates of the onset of the southwest monsoon winds. And the options are Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, West Bengal, Rajasthan. So we need to arrange the name of the states in accordance to the dates which receives the monsoon first. So first obviously would be Kerala as the southwest monsoon winds enters to the state of Kerala. Second would be West Bengal. Third would be UP. And the last one would be Rajasthan. Because the Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon winds enters India through the state of Kerala. Next, the Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon winds enters India through West Bengal part. Next, the Arabian Sea branch extends up till UP and finally it reaches Rajasthan. The next question is, during monsoon, Mumbai receives more rainfall than Pune because your options are Pune lies on the windward side of the Western Ghats, Mumbai lies on the windward side of the Western Ghats, Mumbai lies on the path of the western disturbances, and the last one is Pune lies on the leeward side of the Aravalli Hills. And the correct option is Mumbai lies on the windward side of the Western Ghats. Now this is a map of India and this is the Western Ghats. Mumbai lies on the western side of the Western Ghats while Pune lies on the eastern side. And the southwest monsoon winds enters through the western coast and hence Mumbai lies on the western side of the Western Ghat which is the windward side. The next question is, which of the following reasons is responsible for the rise in temperature of Indian mainland in month of March? And the options are southward migration of the sun from the equator, northward migration of the sun from the equator, the shifting of the pressure belts, land breeze blows towards the sea. And the correct option is northward migration of sun from the equator. The next question, a cricket match was to be held between 24th to 28th October in Chennai, but it got cancelled. What was the probable reason? And the options are temperate cyclone, sudden shift of the low pressure area from the land to sea, heavy rain caused by retreating monsoon, southwest monsoon causing rainfall. And the correct answer is heavy rain caused by retreating monsoon which affects the eastern coast of India. The next question is of assertion and reasoning. Assertion: Darjeeling is cooler than Kolkata during summer. And the reasoning provided is Kolkata is closer to the equator than Darjeeling. So A is correct, R is also correct, and it is the correct explanation of A. The second option is A is correct, R is correct, but it's not the correct explanation of A. Third option is A is correct and R is incorrect. And the last option is both A and R is incorrect. Here, the correct option would be A is correct, R is correct, but it's not the correct explanation of A. Because in this question, we would look into the altitude aspect of Darjeeling and Kolkata. As Darjeeling is located at a higher altitude than Kolkata, hence it experiences a cooler climate than Kolkata even during the time of summer. The next question is, the southwest monsoon starts retreating from northern India in early, and the options are September, October, November, all of this month. So during the retreating monsoon season, the sun migrates southward towards the Tropic of Capricorn, which leads in the development of high pressure over the northern part of India. And this development of high pressure starts in the month of October. The next question. The Himalayas have a significant impact on the climate of India as they, and the options are, block the northeast monsoon winds, cause rainfall in Gangetic Plain, creates rain shadow region over Deccan Plateau, causes cyclonic disturbance over Bay of Bengal. And the correct answer is cause rainfall in Gangetic Plain. Now if we see the arrangement of Himalayas over the entire northern boundary, it looks something like this. And the northern plains being on the southern slope or the southern windward side, the southwest monsoon winds produces heavy rainfall over the northern plains as they get blocked by the Himalayan mountain system. Now we have two similar type of questions. The first question being, which of the following is the correct set of the states that receive heavy rainfall? And the options are Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu and Telangana, Kerala and Meghalaya, Meghalaya and Uttar Pradesh. And the correct option is Kerala and Meghalaya. And the next question would be, which of the following is the correct set of the states that receive scanty rainfall? And the options are Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, Western Rajasthan and parts of Ladakh, Punjab and Haryana, West Bengal and Bihar. And in this case, the correct option would be Western Rajasthan and parts of Ladakh. And the next question is, which of the following terms is associated with Kal Boishakhi? Natural disaster, heavy shower with thunder, snowfall, scorching heat waves. And the correct option is heavy shower with thunder. Kal Boishakhi is a local wind that occurs in the state of West Bengal and Assam during the month of April, which is associated with heavy rainfall, thunderstorm, and lightning. The next question is, which of the following states have equable climate? The options are Mumbai and Bhopal, Mumbai and Shimla, Mumbai and Chennai, Mumbai and Jaipur. And your correct option is Mumbai and Chennai, because both of these places lies on coastal regions and hence experiences the moderating influence of the sea, which results into low annual range of temperature, which means during the summer the temperature would be not too high and during winter the temperature would be not too low. And the next question, the western Himalayan region is set for a dramatic shift in the weather condition as meteorologists predict an intense spell of rainfall, snowfall and thunderstorms from February 17th to February 20th. It is a newspaper article from India Today in 2021. What can be the probable reason for this? And the options are normal raps rate, mango shower, western disturbances and tropical cyclones. And the correct option is western disturbances, as it is a window phenomena which affects the northwestern part of India in states such as Punjab, Haryana and Kashmir. And the next question is, this climatic graph is showing a pattern of rainfall and temperature of a station which receives maximum rainfall in the months of November. What could be the possible reason for this pattern? And your options are coastal winds from the ocean, influence of polar air mass, high altitude climate, influence of monsoon winds. Now, if we look into the climatic graph properly, we would see the line graph represents the temperature and the bar graph represents the rainfall. In this case, it is mentioned that the month of November experiences the maximum rainfall, and we know that November falls under retreating monsoon season, and hence in this case the correct answer would be influence of the monsoon winds, which would be the retreating monsoon winds. And the next question is the state in India that experienced the longest monsoon season. And the options are Kerala, Haryana, Orissa, West Bengal. And the correct answer would be Kerala, because the southwest monsoon winds enters India through the state of Kerala, and the northeast monsoon winds withdraws from the Indian subcontinent through the state of Kerala itself. And the next question would be assertion: southwest monsoon winds blow from December to February, and the reason is southwest monsoon winds brings maximum rainfall to India. And the options are both A and R is correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. The second option is both A and R is correct, and R is not the correct explanation of A. Third option would be A is true and R is false, and the last option would be A is false and R is true. In this case, the correct option would be A is false and R is true, option number 4, because the period of southwest monsoon is June to September and not from December to February. The December to February month stands for the winter season or northeast monsoon season. And the next question is, which of the following factor causes the rise in temperature of mainland India in the month of March? And the options are the land breeze blows towards the sea, northward migration of the sun, southward migration of the sun from the equator, and the pressure belts shift towards the east. Here the correct option would be northward migration of the sun, because during the summer season the sun migrates towards the Tropic of Cancer from equator. And the next question, most parts of India remain dry in winter as, and the options are land has low pressure while high pressure may prevail at sea. The next option, land has high pressure while low pressure prevails at sea. Third option, local winds which are common in this season are devoid of moisture. And the last option, bitterly cold dry winds blow over Central Asia. In this case, the correct answer would be land has high pressure while low pressure prevails at sea. This is because the sun migrates from equator towards the Tropic of Capricorn during the winter season, and hence high pressure is experienced over the Indian landmass, whereas low pressure is experienced over the Indian Ocean. Now the next few questions are the most important one. Study the climate graph and answer the following questions. And this is the climate graph provided, where the left axis represents the temperature scale, the right vertical axis represents the rainfall scale, and the horizontal axis represents the month. The line graph represents the temperature and the bar graph represents the rainfall. And the question is, which is the hottest month provided in this climate graph? And the options are July, August, September, May. And if we look into the temperature graph, we would see the highest point lies in the month of August, that is 10 degrees centigrade. The next question would be again on the basis of the climate graph, where the question is which month receives the highest rainfall? And in this case, now we'll look for the rainfall graph on the rainfall scale, which again shows that the month of August receives the highest amount of rainfall, that is 62 millimeter approximately. That wraps up our session on the top MCQs from the climate of India. Master these and you are well set for the big day. If this helped to clear your monsoon western disturbance and local wind doubts, do smash that like button. Drop a comment below with your trickiest MCQ. Let's solve it together. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss our next ICSE prep video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and always remember, it's fun Shala from us to you.